Canva App Crashing 2026. So to fix a crashing Canva app, you can start by updating the app. Just go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store, find the Canva app, and if you see an update button available right here instead of open, tap on update to get the latest version. Now the next thing what you can do is clear the app cache on your Android device and then upload the app on your iOS device. Now on your iOS device, all you have to do is go to settings, then tap on general and then tap on iPhone storage. Now find Canva from the list, or you can just simply tap on the search bar at the bottom and then search for Canva. Now tap upload app. Once you do that, you will have to confirm it by tapping upload app one more time, and then you will see the reinstall app button here. Simply tap on it or just go back to your Apple App Store, find the Canva app and reinstall it from there. Now the next thing what you can do is check your connection. Scroll down the control center from the top of your screen, then turn airplane mode on for 5 seconds and then turn it back off to refresh your network signal. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next one.